Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view WhatsApp status on WhatsApp web. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Locate the sidebar on the left hand side of your WhatsApp web screen. Click the status icon. So this is the broken circle or the update icon here, the second one basically. Click on that and you will see here some status icon. So here, a vertical list of your contacts who have posted a status within the last 24 hours will appear. Now what you can do, so if you press on their profile picture to open their status, this status will appear will play automatically, and then you just can use left right arrows to see uh, to see between that you can skip between slides, and then press escape to close the view. And this is basically how you can view status of your colleagues on WhatsApp web. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.